Here's a question that comes up a lot, and I know how I was trained. You present the plane to your wood, you make your cut, you pick it up, you present your plane to the wood, you make your cut. By doing it that way, you can actually leave the shavings in the plane. So that's one method. Now the other method is you see some woodworkers plane, toss the shaving, pull the plane back on the wood, make the cut, toss the shaving, and so on. I've heard comments about pulling the plane back on the blade dulls the blade, and I've heard comments that pulling the plane back on itself, on the blade, can cause it to hone itself. What are your thoughts? I'm a little old school. I was taught to pick it up, present it back, make the cut. That's why oftentimes you'll hear a little clunk. Now some people say that little clunk can send your plane out of tune. Real quickie, what's your thoughts? Lift and reapproach, or plane and drag? Plane and drag. Thanks for stopping by. Means a lot to me. Like, subscribe, and share. And go out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.